So breaking news, one of Jamaican most and popular track and field analysts who has been covering a lot of analysis for Olympics, World Athletic Championship and local championship in Jamaica just lost his life. We are talking about the life of Herbert Lawrence, one of the most popular Jamaican analyst and TV presenter. Now, this man is so popular that most of Jamaica know about him. Now, he lost his life and he died on Friday. And according to popular reports, Herbert Lawrence is a very popular man in Jamaica. He has coverage a lot of championship like the Olympics, and he has written a lot of book about athletics. And also, according to the report, he died peacefully on Friday, which means definitely his death is more like a natural death. It's not as if he got into accident or something else. He died naturally, and according to the report, he died peacefully. Now, I will be reading some of the sad reactions that some Jamaican fans were able to comment on social media. Now, this woman called Torian Weston said, "Rest in peace, our track and field encyclopedia. Boys and girls championship and Olympic coverage will not be the same without your brilliant comment and knowledge." Wow, indeed, Lawrence is definitely a popular TV coverage presenter. Now, the next reaction on Facebook is from Marcus Manson. He said, "What? This cannot be true. Oh wow, what a great loss. He was an icon in track and field. That man could give you statistic on athlete and event the best way. Sleep on Sir Lawrence." Wow, I love this comment. Now, this guy is from Facebook. He made this good comment about Sir Lawrence, that he is definitely a great icon and he is known for giving the best statistic about athlete. Now, the next reaction from Facebook is from Rodri Wallace. He said, "Sincere condolence to his family. Track and field commentary will never be the same as this man knew." Wow, indeed, Lawrence is definitely popular. Like I said at the beginning of this video, most Jamaicans know about him. Now, the next sad reaction on Facebook is from Rodney. He said, "Sincere condolence to the family, friends and numerous fans of Mr. Hubert Lawrence. This is a tremendous loss for Jamaican and track and field sports commentary." Indeed, like I said, like I always say, this man is definitely the most popular Jamaican TV presenter, and and also on track and field commentary, because the reaction is just kind of crazy. Now, the next reaction is from Patrice Davis from Facebook. She said, "Wow, such sad news. May his soul rest in peace." Amen. May his soul rest in peace. Although I don't know this man, but I do believe he has made history by what he did in Jamaican track and field, and he will be remembered definitely as a legend in future to come, and also for what he did in Jamaica, not just in Jamaican track and field. Definitely some part of the world would definitely get to know him. So the next reaction is from Gregory Campbell, also from Facebook. She said, "I remember many occasions we had track discussion on Anson City. Condolence to his family." This is definitely one of the saddest reaction. She was remembering. Now, you watching this video, wherever you are in the world, I want you to take your time in the comment section. Write something about this man. He has made history. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Encourage me.